Hey everybody, welcome back to Build Auto. I've actually got a couple videos recorded I haven't posted. But today I finally tore the head back off of the MR2. And gonna go ahead and put the new head gasket on. And I got the ARP head bolts. In case anybody's needing the part number, it's 2034204. As you can see, it says the 3S GTE Toyota. And I bought a new little surprise. I bought me a 96 Toyota Camry. Sorry, saying MR2, but I bought it just for the motor. Oh, I got the hood locked, but it's a 5S FE motor. It might not be the best year one, but since the only thing I want out of it is really just the crank anyways, I figured that's the perfect car for it, and this way I can start on my stroker build, or make another stroker motor. The first one I had is sitting right here, fully torn apart. It cracked a ringland and it scarred the cylinder wall really bad, so it's going to get bored over. I tried just taking a hone and honing the cylinders out, but doing so, I couldn't get the scratches out. At least I don't feel comfortable enough, so I'm just going to go take it and get it bored, or get it home professionally, see if they can get it without going too far over. But if I have to, I might just go ahead and buy me a set of CP pistons and everything. But back to the fun part. Washing all the ARP bolts. I've already washed them all. Just got soapy water. Go rinse them back off. But hopefully this time I can go longer than 3 days without blowing another head gasket. Well, lifting another head gasket. I had the wastegate weight too tight on the turbo, so the car, it didn't like it, over boosted like crazy. I went back and looked at it on Megatune. On there, I went and looked and seen just to see what I did on it, and it hit 27 psi. So a little bit too much, but that's all fine now. So we got the head off. Got it up here. It's easier. You just use cherry picker, just lift it right up, so I can drop it right back down the same way. I have the head gasket set right there. The new head gasket's over there, pulled out. But I am putting a graphite head gasket back on, and I just kind of want to show y'all. Here is a 3S head gasket, and here is a 5S. You can see there's nominal difference. That's why I did realize this. That's why I went with that car, because I got it for a really cheap price. It's just a little bit bigger bore, not much. That's the reason why I wanted to do this way. But got the bolts washed off. We're going to dry them off and go from there, and hopefully get this thing put back together here in a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes, but a few minutes to y'all. Alright, trying to find a way to set the camera.